It's happening. Good morning, o diba? So you guys may not know, or you may know that my luggage is not here in Vegas yet. So I'm wearing a towel because I don't have a choice. So I'm gonna show you guys, last night I was so tired and drained, like mentally, physically, you don't know what's going on, but let's just live that way because it was too much. And I'm gonna show you a room. I'm not gonna show you Shaquan's ass, just kidding. And please don't mind my acne because I am a human being. So this is our restroom. This place is fancy. I mean, this is Caesar's Palace, and I'm gonna room tour you guys. This is our restroom. See, I have my side and my roomie has her side, but we are both using one side. So of course my Sephora babies right here, my skincare. We had jetted tub, we had huge mirror, and I really like that we have a standing shower and then we have a separate toilet bowl, whatever you call that. Look at the mirror. This place is for selfie. And this is our huge room. Yeah, Shaquan is my model. And look at this painting. This won't fit me in my bag. Just kidding. And yeah, this is my bed. It's beautiful. It's so comfy, by the way. And that's Shaquan's. Yes, as you can see, her bed is nice and neat. She had a good day yesterday. She got here at 3 p.m. so she had a good time. We had our TV. I don't know what's in here, but we'll see. Oh, it's a safe. We don't have money. It's fine. In here, what is this here? Oh, it's just a drawer. Our huge window. And outside, you guys, this is just, a little bit of something. It's beautiful. It's just, that's a swimming pool. Thank you so much, Sephora, for letting us stay here in Caesar's Palace. This is amazing. We are about to start our ritual, which is, painting faces, and I think our breakfast is at 7. So let me stop here and stop talking, and let me go ahead and I'll get ready. I bought me some makeup last night from CVS at like what, 3 a.m. Thank you, Shaquan. She was with me last night this morning at 3 a.m. to buy me some stuff because I don't have nothing to, to apply on my face because everything is still on the plane. It won't arrive not until this morning. Get ready with us. Okay, Shaquan.
I look kind of alive.
Yeah, so I went to CVS last night to buy me some stuff. I don't have anything. I don't have my clothes to wear. I'm only wearing what I have. I'm going to reuse, reduce, recycle. So yeah, and look at this. Good thing CVS last night was open. Girl, let's beat this face. Okay, fancy. You see? Oh yeah, baby. I'll take everything what you have. Also, my primer is from Farsali and from Touche. Eclat blue primer from YSL. If it's expensive, I can barely say the word. Oh, this is amazing. And of course, we're gonna use this expensive. We don't have YSL in our store, so I don't know what's going on with YSL. You got a good stuff. You got a Tatcha, you got a Sandy Riley, girl. You're living a dream. I better snatch these brows, I don't have money, but I have a brows. Wow, this Benefit is good. And good thing I did not dream about my bag. This is so creamy. Maybe the one that I tried is dry.
Oh yeah.
I'll see you later. So you guys, this is how I look like, you know, it's a little bit. Just kidding. Come here, Shaquan. Show them your beautiful face. You guys, her face is so flawless.
I have no.
Okay. Yeah, me too. Like, honey, do you hear me? Those beats. Hear me, beats. Beat that face to God. So yeah, we're getting ready. I've been saying we're getting ready, but we're getting ready. We are going to get breakfast. We need some energy. I need some energy, y'all. My battery is dying. Yeah, going to be a long day. So you guys, I did wash my shirt last night. Good thing it's black, and I'm going to re-wear them today. And I need to. It's still wet, and I'm gonna do is blow dry this because they don't have laundry here. Shaquan, do you have perfume? You do? Honey, she has everything, you hear me?
You can use this. Oh, your hair is curled already.
Yeah. You see, I'm so jealous because I'm not used to be like, you know, minimal. But anyways, you guys, I cannot complain. And we are ready. Look at you. You look cute. Okay, work it. Open the door. So we got lost last night. We walked all the way through over there. So yeah, this is just, you know, something outfit. We look like we're gonna solve some case today. Ah yes. Welcome to Sephora Collection Ambassador, you guys. It's happening. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. Hi! The team are here. We've made it. Thank you, Jesus. This is Shaquan, by the way. Okay, we made each other. Thank you. We are here, you guys, in a breakfast room. So much people, and I'm already hungry.
Operations Manager for Sephora Collection, Jennifer Flanagan.
Back at the hotel, and day 1 is done, and tomorrow is day 2, and we are going to check out tomorrow. So you guys, I'm exhausted, as you guys all know that. And guess what we got? We have a gift from Sephora. I'm not gonna open that yet because I don't feel like it. And finally, you guys, I got my bag. You see this? And now I need to take a quick nap because I really need it, like so bad. Like I'm saying. So Yeah, I'm going to wrap up my video. Say bye, Shaquan.
Bye.
Yeah. So I am going to see you guys tomorrow for my day 2. You know, just something, you know, because why not? And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Good night. Bye.
I just wanna dance. I just wanna